Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica Kelly and I'm back with another banger. Today is me and my husband's 9-year anniversary, okay? So we're gonna go eat some brunch today. I'm gonna bring you guys along with. Might do a little mukbang, you know what I'm saying? A little Q&A, whatever. And I'm gonna go ahead in with the outfit of the day, guys. So this outfit that I'm wearing is from Shein and it was like $20, $30 for the whole fit. Let me show y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell on to be notified so every time I upload you'll be the first one to know. Y'all know my posting schedule is every Sunday at 10 a.m. So that's when I'll be posting. Alright, of course I'm wearing jewelry from Sparkle Queens Elite Jewelry. Make sure you shop my jewelry line, alright? And you know, I'm rocking a little bling. I got me a little blinged out watch today, you know. Just feeling blinged out. But yeah, we finna get on this boat and eat some dinner, eat some brunch. I'm finna bring y'all along with, just like last year, just like we do every year. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we have arrived. And it's a lot of cars here, it's a packed house. Oh, today is me and my husband's 9-year anniversary, and we're gonna go eat some brunch at Alma's Charter Cruises, as we do every year about this time. You already know how we do it. So it looks like it's a packed house tonight, y'all. Here comes my hubby. There goes the hubby. Looks like it's a packed house. Yeah. Alright, so let's get right into this vlog. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. Let's get it. Let's go. How's everybody doing out there today? Y'all ready to go on the cruise? Maybe this is over accessorizing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just take a couple pictures. So hold the door.
Is this the water?
All right, y'all, so I got my seats and we're aboard the Bella Vista. We're aboard the Bella Vista. Okay. All right, I got my favorite spot in the house, guys. I got my shades. My shades for the cruise. We ready to go. Okay. Okay. That's on big butter. Because, you know what I'm saying, bad bitches Bad bitches, we row in the front of the boat. Okay, we don't go to the back of the boat. Oh, stay tuned. And that's on what? That's on period pool. Hold on, let me get my ice. It's iced out in the front, you know what I'm saying? She ready. Anyway, y'all, so much drama in the YouTube streets, right? Man, there's a lot of drama going on. If y'all haven't subscribed to my Hood News channel, my podcast channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll put it in the description of this video, okay? Yes. So like I said, me and my husband, we've been married for 9 years, but we've been together for 18, 17, something like that. So we've been together for a while. And that's my baby right there, you know what I'm saying? So nothing's been happening much, you know. Like I said, I've just been working. Oh yeah, I got this bracelet too, y'all. See that? Ain't that cute? I'm gonna put it on, but I need help putting it on. I'm gonna have my husband help me put it on. So it's a little anniversary gift. Oh, there goes hubby right here with the drinks. Look at hubby. Yes. Okay. Hubby came with some drinks. And what are we sipping on today?
That's supposed to be a sex on the beach.
Supposed to be a sex on the beach, y'all. Oh, so, y'all get a sip. Y'all get the first sip. It's beautiful. See if it tastes as good as it looks. Let's taste it and see if it's nice and refreshing. Shall we? Oh man, that's really good. What you get, babe?
Mai Tai.
Taste. Let me taste.
Go ahead.
Oh, that's strong.
Strong.
You made it strong. Oh, that's gonna be nice for you today.
I told him to make it strong.
Okay. Taste mine.
I did already.
Oh, you did? Yes. 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 Gotta get some links. I'm gonna get a couple links sticking out of this watch, y'all. I love this watch. And this ring and everything. Oh, you got it? Put it on the same one? Put it on a different one. Oh. And then click them, yeah. Have you ever, this is the topic of the day. Have you ever flattened your man's tires? Have your man ever just came outside and his car was sitting on his belly? Just bloop. All 4 tires. How many tires did you do? Did you do 4 tires? Did you do 2 tires? Did you do 1 tire? We want to know. Comment below, let me know. For the fellas out there, comment below, let me know. Have your girl ever slashed your tires? And if so, what was the reason for? Okay, y'all need to comment below, let me know. That's the topic of the day. All right, y'all, so we about to get moving here.
Rolling.
We about to get rolling here, you know how it is.
Strong.
Woo! I'm buzzing, cousin, already. Oh, I ain't playing music, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I can have your attention for just a few moments, folks, we'd like to welcome you all aboard today. Thanks for joining us. What an absolutely beautiful day to be out on the lake. Maybe the best of summer so far. A nice breeze, perfect sky, great temperature. The most beautiful boat in the Twin Cities and the largest island in Canada. That's #1 goal is to keep you happy for the next 2 hours. And with that in mind,
2-hour cruise.
One of the keys to happiness is staying safe. And that's my job. I'm your captain today. My name is Jay.
Hi, Jay.
I'm to be on board with you this afternoon and keep the boat steering in the right direction and keep you all safe. Keep a few things to shape your expectations about the cruise today. First of all, Though many of you have chosen a table to enjoy today, you are welcome to make your way throughout the boat as you wish today.
Yep, that's my
Move
table right
throughout the
here.
boat whenever you'd like to.
Oh, got it. It's my
And
table
as you
right
are
here.
up and about, please be ready for the floor to be moving gently underneath your feet. We won't move much more than this, but every once in a while,
Woo! See that splash?
off into the motion that you didn't want. So be careful as you're up and about, and be especially cautious and mindful of the threshold that you need to step over going in or out of any cabin doorway anywhere aboard the boat today. Especially the glass wall that's completely open between the inside and outside. Served momentarily, the crew would begin working
I'm ready
on
to
that
eat.
in just a few minutes.
I'm ready to eat.
And we do have a process to serve you today. We serve our brunch in a buffet format, and I know that sometimes in that format there is an association or an assumption that it is all you can eat. Today that is not the case. And
Wow.
that's how we explain
No,
it.
all you can eat.
We want you to know that
I didn't know
there's
you can eat.
a variety to choose from. Please enjoy our Mediterranean chicken.
Oh, yeah. Isn't he amazing?
He's such an amazing
He's
guy.
so amazing, Captain. Okay, like I said, we come here every year for our anniversary. We do this annually, every year for our anniversary. If you guys want to hit that Cash App, be free to hit that Cash App for my anniversary. If you want to give me an anniversary gift, hit the Cash App. You know what I'm saying? It's free. It don't cost. Well, it do cost you something. Hit the like button. That's free. It don't cost you nothing to hit the like button. Okay, for your girl. All right. Hit the like button. Babe, where'd he go? Tell him to hit the like button. Oh, it's windy out here, y'all.
Y'all gotta hit the like button.
Hit the like button.
Hit the like button.
It's free. Won't cost you nothing.
Nothing.
What is this?
This is my Facebook Live.
Oh, why is it in my face? Okay, don't butt it in my motherfucking face at that angle, okay? Because I don't want to see no double chins and shit, okay?
Wait, start this way. The other way.
You need to go get us some more drinks. Why don't you record yourself getting some damn drinks at the bar? How about that? Okay, okay, it's getting windy out here. My eyelashes is flipping everywhere, y'all. Damn. Make sure y'all be looking out for that YouTube vlog. Erica Kelly Vlogs.
That's good.
All right, let's check over here, y'all. What's going on over here? Y'all seeing what I'm seeing right now? Okay. We got the best part. We got the best seat in the motherfucking house. Every time people come up, we got the best seat in the motherfucking house. Every time people come here, they go right upstairs. I'll be like, yes. So I'm sitting right up in the front. Oh, they be sleep on the front of the boat. This is where the bad bitches sit. In the front of the motherfucking boat.
Sure is.
It's where the bad bitches sit.
Where the bitches sit.
Why is he talking? Why is he over here talking? He want to be in a vlog?
No.
This is the Erica Kelly vlogs, not the ride vlogs,
This is where you laugh
okay?
at your own jokes.
He didn't make me accidentally end my stuff. Thank God for his food I'm about to receive. May it be nourishing to my body and my soul. Amen.
The earliest settlement of European folks on this side of the lake.
All right, let's get into this mukbang.
In fact, the bay behind us was named after them, Halstead Bay.
It's really good, guys.
General Halstead was a retired Army general who brought his family to live on the shores of Lake Minnetonka way back in the 1800s. The neighborhood is called the Hermitage, still to this day. Now friends, if everything goes as planned, when you look to the right-hand side in just a moment, you'll be able to see something that will be the most unique sight on the cruise. It's undeveloped mainland lakeshore. Not much of it left. In fact, this is one of the only stretch park. Beautiful playground, lots of hiking and biking trails, and also a very unique visitor center. The headquarters and visitor center for the park will be the next home that you'll see off to the right-hand side. Part of the land that was acquired to make this park possible was purchased from Bert Gagne. He's the guy that coupled athleticism and sportsmanship together, showmanship rather, to create the sport of professional wrestling. His home will be next in your view as the trees give way to
So, y'all.
of the Tudor-styled house. That's now the headquarters for the park.
All right, y'all. I went to Alma, got some really good food. I will say that.
Dropping off a couple Diet Cokes here.
Oh, right, thank you.
Yeah.
Anybody in there complimenting you on your motherfucking dress? Yeah, man. Yeah. They're like, is that your wife? I'm like, yeah. Like, oh, she is gorgeous. They're like, I saw you taking pictures. These older people.
Oh,
I saw you taking pictures.
I didn't give me some chips. My chips and flew off.
Well, as soon as you open the door, huh?
Yeah.
I know.
I'll wait till I'm done, huh?
Oh, go ahead.
No, I'm saying I'm gonna wait till I'm gonna go get some chips.
Guacamole.
Whoa. My hubby's plate, y'all.
Try this chicken or no?
That's pretty good.
Yep.
I thought I wouldn't like it. I'm like, what is that?
Yep.
Pretty good. Potato. I said, old girl went and got her food. I left you dinner. I'm gone.
I told the waiter to bring out some Diet Pepsi. Come on. I'll be right out here.
You know what's out there.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have to get some navigational terms added into this vocabulary. No more left, no more right on the cruise today. We're going to use the real terms here. Starboard and Ports. The easy way to navigate those terms on any boat, anywhere, or airplane for that matter, is as long as you're facing the front of the boat or the bow, then your right-hand side is always the starboard side, and left is always the port side. An easy way to remember that in the future is that port has 4 letters, so does the word left. So take a look off to the port side of the boat now, and you'll be able to...
Alright, y'all, we just got done finishing brunch, and everything was delicious, and I'm full. I ate most of everything. Like I said, I had some hash browns, some cheesy eggs, macaroni, Mediterranean chicken, sausages, some fruit, and it was some good little vacation food. It made me feel like I was on vacation eating this food. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish up my drink. Let me get into any more questions y'all got, okay? All right, y'all, so me and my husband, we do have 3 kids together, and all their names start with J. When I see my husband, I knew he was my soulmate. So comment below, let me know, do you believe in soulmates? Comment below, let me know that. So, and my husband, he's been with me through the hard times, which most men wouldn't, you know, on your downest, roughest points, your brokest points, the brokenness in life.
And she's
Yeah,
a good
that's
wife.
right there.
She's a good wife.
Oh, I try to be. Sometimes I am. Not all the time.
Me neither.
So,
I want my baby.
you know my baby. Oh, baby. My baby right there. You know, he get on my nerves most of the time.
Most of the time.
I wouldn't know what I would do without my baby right there. That's a good topic. What's the key to a
successful marriage is togetherness. That word, togetherness.
Togetherness.
We do everything together. That's why we get on each other's nerves. 'Cause we do everything together. That's my baby.
That's a sweet baby right there.
That's my baby.
Oh, I just love my baby right there. But yeah. Yeah, guys. So we're enjoying our time today. What are some things we do to keep it spicy in the marriage? I think like we travel together. Like we like to travel a lot. And that keeps it spicy. And maybe a little bit of role playing, which we don't. Sometimes we do, not really. But you can role play, take trips together, spend time with one another. Get some new toys or something. I don't know. That's how you can keep it spicy in a marriage and keep your marriage lasting long. Yeah, guys, the brunch was really nice. It was really good. We had finishing drinking up my drink here.
I feel no water right now.
Mine's super watery. They ain't make this one strong at all this time. Did you go to the same bartender?
Same damn one on purpose too.
Wow. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to my Hood News channel. I already placed that in the description below. And yeah, so yeah, we're just having a good time today. 9-year anniversary turn up. Can't see her.
You get bit?
See her in the hospital. I got bit in the ass.
like dad.
Yeah, and then I had to play that after.
Oh, you did it? Oh, yeah, that's good. Lay your ass up.
Storm got bit in the ass, buddy. She trying to run. Bit in the ass.
The lady just said, you were all amazing. Thank you for hosting our party.
Some people say it's some karma for what she did in the YouTube streets.
Alright guys, we're pulling in the dock. I hope you guys enjoyed this anniversary. I hope you guys enjoyed our 9-year anniversary boat cruise. Right now we're pulling in the dock. About to get off. About to go home. Rest a little bit. Hit the YouTube streets. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Click your bell on to be notified. Every time we upload, you'll be the first one to know. This has been another vlog. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next vlog.